Hey, how's it doing? Don here, the German printing nerd. Well, I do wish to say thank you. Thank you so much for the help that has already been given. And just to give a little bit more information about the scooter. It's 15 years old, as I found out. It's not 13, it's 15 years old. It's a wonder that that thing was working so long. But yeah, anyway, as I said in the previous video, which is understanding why they're saying that, well, you'd be better off getting a new one. But yeah, getting a new one, that's easier said than done. But from the generosity from a few of my very good Facebook friends and YouTube friends, I've already got a little bit over 300 euros together. That means another 1,500 to go. But I figured it out, you know. I've got over 700 Facebook friends, and I know $5 is not that much, about 4 euros, something like that. But if each one of those, or let's just say 350 of them, yeah, if they would, or from the 350, if they would donate $5 to that Facebook donation, then I would get up to that needed sum right away. That thing could be then closed. Facebook would make the transfer, deduct their fee, of course, and then I can make a telephone call to a company that is about 50 kilometers away and tell them, hey, bring me the scooter, I'll go to the bank and get the cash for you. And he'll bring it and show me everything I need to know about it so that there won't be any problems. But one was asking, yeah, if my health insurance won't invest any money into it. Unfortunately not, because I have to be at least at 60-70% with the handicap rating that they have here before the health center will say, okay, Don, how much is it going to cost? Well, we'll pay 50% of it. Yeah. My doctor last year, he sent me to all kinds of doctors. I was even in the hospital for a couple of weeks because of superstition, Parkinson's disease. And thank God it's not Parkinson's disease. But yeah, I have to go to a clinic probably this year, to a special one, to find out if that is what it is, so-called stiff man syndrome. If it's that, then well, good night. But well, we'll see. But anyway, again, Down in the description is a link to the Facebook donation. If you're not in Facebook, PayPal link is down below. As I said, I've got a little bit over 300 euros right now. Another 1,500 is needed. And, well, I hope and pray that everything will go good. But until then, take care, everybody.